A canonical tag tells search engines which version of a page is the main one, especially when you have similar or duplicate content. For example, you might have a product page with tracking parameters, or the same content available in multiple categories. Without a canonical tag, Google may see them as duplicate pages, which can confuse your rankings. Adding a canonical tag in your page's code looks like this. This tells Google, if you're choosing which version to index, pick this one. It helps consolidate ranking signals and avoids splitting traffic across duplicates. Most SEO plugins like Yoast or Rank Math let you set canonical tags automatically. Use it when you have product variations, when blog posts appear in multiple places, or when content is syndicated elsewhere. Subscribe for more clear SEO guidance, and visit bottletopcreative.com for help managing technical SEO.